Durante el press briefing na City Hall del pasado lunes, cuando confirma el City Legal Officer, Attorney Jesus Carbon, kaya recibirle con el resulta del investigación acerca del asunto del illegal quarry na pulang lupa na patalon, kaya conduci el National Bureau of Investigation. Rekomenda el NBI na diila 50 pahina desisyon para planta kaso kriminal de Graft and Corruption Practices Act y kaso administratibo kontra con cuantos mga oficiales del diferentes ahensya y con mga quarry operators. Pero durante el press briefing na City Hall en antes aga, habla si Carbon kay taesta pa pendiente el planta del caso después PD mismo el chairman del Zamboanga Economic Zone and Freeport Authority Christopher Arnuco na NBI para investiga otra vez con el caso.
The administrator of Ecozone wrote the NBI director asking for a re-investigation of the case to include the participation of the employees of Ecozone. So with that, I think the filing of the cases against the persons mentioned in the NBI report will be held in abeyance.
Asugun kun Carbon, quiere si Arnuco para investiga otra vez el NBI con el caso. I-incluye na di la investigasyon con cuantos mga personajes del Ecozone. Ta suporta también si Carbon con el pedido de Arnuco.
And as I can see from newspaper reports this morning, the one in the DENR was not even here at the time these alleged crimes were committed. I am referring to the Director Calyanta. He was not yet here when these incidents happened, and it would just be fair to have this re-investigation considering the gravity of the charges, which are for violations of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Mientras tanto, habla también si Carbon kaya completa también el su oficina el investigación de este asunto para na aspeto administrativo. Asugun kun Carbon, sumete a ele con el alcaldesa Maria Isabel Climoco Salazar, donde ta rekomenda ele para planta caso administrativo de neglect of duties contra con el ingeniero del ciudad Luis Vicente Despalo, jefe del OCNR Engineer Ray Gonzalez y de este mga empleyado. Asugun kun Carbon, dipiende con el alcaldesa si ay implementa este con el di su rekomendasyon o hindi. Este el cosa y habla el alcaldesa.
There are people that are already impatient because they seem to see the delay in the tossing and turning of this. But always we should remember that there must be policies, procedures that have to be followed and strictly implemented. Otherwise, if we do not have these procedures that will guide us, we will be violating the law. So whatever it is that the City Legal will submit to us for recommendation, because I believe that they have thorough study, and I believe that as a teacher under the Arias Doctrine, it is very also demanding of us to read all of these documents. We will have to abide by what the recommendation of the legal is to us.
Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.